In this video, we are going to discuss 9 benefits of using rosehip oil on your face. Rosehip oil is sometimes called rosehip seed oil. It is derived from the Rosa canina rose bush, which is mostly farmed in Chile. Unlike rose oil, which is extracted from rose petals, rosehip oil is pressed from the rose's fruit and seeds. Rosehip oil has been prized since antiquity for its great therapeutic properties, and it is high in skin-nourishing vitamins and vital fatty acids. It also includes phenols, which are known to have antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal activities. Rosehip oil is frequently used as a carrier oil for essential oils that are too potent to apply to the skin directly. Keep watching to learn more about the benefits of rosehip oil for your skin and how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. Number 1. It hydrates. Hydration is vital for maintaining soft, supple skin. Lack of moisture can be an issue during harsh temperatures or as the skin ages. Rosehip oil includes numerous important fatty acids, including linoleic and linolenic acid. Fatty acids serve to keep cell membranes robust, preventing them from losing water. Rosehip oil's high fatty acid content makes it ideal for moisturizing dry, irritated skin. The skin also readily absorbs the oil, allowing the antioxidants to penetrate deep into the skin's layers. Number 2. It moisturizes. Moisturizing helps to maintain your skin's natural hydration and any extra oils. A 2015 research of rosehip powder found that rosehips had various anti-aging benefits, including the capacity to keep skin hydrated. Researchers discovered that those who took rosehip powder orally saw significant changes in their skin's overall hydration. You can also get similar benefits by applying rosehip oil topically. Rosehip oil is a dry, non-greasy oil. This makes it an excellent natural moisturizer for any skin type. Number 3. It helps exfoliate and brighten skin. Natural exfoliation with rosehip oil can help eliminate dullness and reveal beautiful, vivid skin. The vitamin A, or retinol, in rosehip oil promotes skin cell renewal. Number 4. It helps boost collagen formation. Collagen is the skin's primary structural component. It is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and suppleness. Your body naturally produces less collagen as you age. Rosehip oil has high levels of vitamin A, which is required for collagen formation. Rosehip has also been proven to reduce the production of MMP1, an enzyme that breaks down collagen in the body. Furthermore, research backs up these benefits. In a 2015 study, researchers discovered that subjects who took rosehip powder orally had a significant increase in skin elasticity. Number 5. It helps reduce inflammation. Rosehip contains both polyphenols and anthocyanin, which may help reduce inflammation. It also contains vitamin E, an antioxidant recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties. With this in mind, rosehip oil may help relieve the irritation caused by rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis. Number 6. It helps protect against sun damage. Exposure to the sun throughout a lifetime causes cumulative damage that contributes significantly to premature aging. UV exposure can also impair the body's ability to make collagen. Rosehip oil includes antioxidants, including vitamins A and E. These vitamins have been demonstrated to work together to reduce noticeable UV damage. They may also assist to prevent photoaging. With this in mind, rosehip oil could be utilized to mitigate the detrimental effects of UV exposure. But it should not be used instead of sunscreen. Consult your doctor or dermatologist about how you can safely incorporate both into your skincare routine. Number 7. It helps reduce hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a condition in which excess melanin develops dark spots or patches on the skin. This can be caused by several factors, including sun exposure, hormonal changes, such as during pregnancy or menopause, specific pharmaceuticals, such as birth control pills and chemotherapy therapies. Rosehip oil is high in vitamin A. Vitamin A is composed of various nutritional components, including retinoids. Retinoids are well known for their ability to diminish hyperpigmentation and other obvious indications of age when used regularly. Rosehip oil includes both lycopene and beta-carotene. These chemicals are considered to have skin lightening effects, which makes them common constituents in many skin lightening products. Animal studies show that rosehip extract has melanin-reducing effects, which may justify additional investigation for usage on people. Number 8. It helps reduce scars and fine lines. Rosehip oil contains important fatty acids and antioxidants, which are necessary for tissue and cell regeneration in the skin. It's no surprise that the oil has long been used to promote wound healing and reduce scars and fine wrinkles. A 2015 study on rosehip powder found that after 8 weeks of treatment, small wrinkles around the eyes, often known as crow's feet, were significantly reduced. Participants in this trial took the powder orally. In a separate 2015 trial, patients with post-surgical scars applied topical rosehip oil on their incision site twice daily. After 12 weeks of use, the group that used rosehip oil showed significant improvements in scar color and inflammation compared to the group that did not receive any topical treatment. Number 9. It helps boost immunity. Rosehip oil contains antioxidants and polyunsaturated fatty acids, such as linoleic acid, which are essential for preventing the breakdown of cell membranes in the skin. Strong, healthy cells operate as a barrier against microorganisms infiltrating the skin, preventing breakouts and infections. In both animal and human trials, rosehip powder has been found to improve the strength and longevity of skin cells. Rosehip powder has also been proven to inhibit MMP-1 synthesis, an enzyme that degrades cell components such as collagen. How to use rosehip oil? Rosehip oil is a dry oil that is easily absorbed by the skin. Although it is generally safe for all skin types, you should conduct a patch test before the first use. This ensures you are not allergic to the oil. To do this: 1. Place a tiny amount of rosehip oil on your forearm or wrist. 2. Wrap the treated area in a bandage or gauze. 3. After 24 hours, examine the region for symptoms of inflammation. 4. If your skin is sensitive or inflamed, do not use rosehip oil, see your doctor if sensitivity persists. 5. If the skin shows no signs of irritation, the oil should be safe to use elsewhere. Following a patch test, you can apply rosehip oil up to twice each day. You can use the oil alone or mix a few drops with any carrier oil or moisturizer. Rosehip oil can soon go rancid. To increase its shelf life, keep the oil in a cool, dark place. You can also keep it in your fridge. Cold-pressed, organic rosehip oil is recommended for purity and the greatest outcomes, despite its somewhat higher price point. Popular options include Rada rosehip oil, Kate Blanc rosehip seed oil, Majestic Pure Cosmeceuticals rosehip oil, Life Flow Organic Pure rosehip seed oil, Teddy Organics rosehip oil. Possible side effects and risks. Rosehip oil is generally considered safe for all skin types, however allergic reactions are not unusual. Before applying rosehip oil for the first time, perform a patch test to ensure that your skin can accept it. Consult your doctor if you are experiencing red, itchy skin, itchy, watery eyes, scratchy throat, nausea, vomiting. Anaphylaxis is a severe allergic reaction. Seek quick emergency medical assistance if you have difficulty breathing, wheezing, swollen mouth, throat, or face, rapid heartbeat, stomach pain. Thank you for watching. Rosehip oil is truly a versatile and powerful addition to your skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips. Share your experience with rosehip oil in the comments below. Until next time, stay radiant.